Hey guys, welcome back to Web Tech Tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to open an account in BankWest. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser. After that, search BankWest and click on the first link appeared on your screen. Furthermore, scroll down a bit and click on Get Started. Next, choose Open an Easy Transaction Account and Apply Online. That will lead you to a page asking for your consent and verify I am not a robot and click on Start. Next, BankWest will ask for your personal information. You have to fill up all of them correctly. After filling up all of the information correctly, click on Continue, and by following all of those steps, your account will be signed up. So this is how you sign up in BankWest. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video.